Hey YouTube, you better hang on to your seats for this one. Someone is challenging Newton's laws of physics. This is going to be good. A YouTuber known as RightThe Hand, in his video titled "Move Over Newton, I'm Rewriting the Laws of Physics," decided he wanted to rewrite the laws of what people say. So apparently he doesn't know what the laws are called. But let's see what his first one is.
Alrighty, don't worry about the certificate of baptism, that was prior life. Alright, so basically I want to rewrite the laws of not rewrite them physically, right? Because that's not doing anything, that's not going to change them. But like what people say. So I'm starting with this first one, right? All things in existence must be physical objects, right? You can't. That's going to change that's going to change quite a few things right there, right? So now they're going to say light. If light is a thing in existence, it has to be a physical object. You can't. No more skating both ways on this, right? Okay. All right. So if it's in existence, it's a physical object. If light is in existence, then it's a physical object. If a magnetic field is in existence, then it's a physical object.
His first law states, all things in existence must be physical objects. Okay. RightThe Hand. If you stick by this ridiculous statement, then please can you explain the following? Intelligence, which may or may not elude you. Love, emotion, magnetism, gravity, death, life, talent, knowledge, experience, values, identity, imagination, the list goes on. These exist, but are physically intangible. So are you then saying, as per your statement, that they don't exist?
Because if you would think, how would you program this world, right? If this world is running on a function, it has to be.
I also love how he equates the globe to a computer program, stating that the world is running on a function and that it has to be.
Now, if you were going to have an object, if something was going to be in this world, you would have to have code written about it so that the world knows it. If there's no code, there's no object. Alright, so next. Motion cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred. Right, so when they talk about this energy, what the fuck is energy? They don't know what that. Motion cannot be created. So when I move this, so see, like the pen is moving, but it's only moving because I'm moving and then transferring the motion, and I'm only moving because I continue to eat things that are moving, right? So this is the idea of why everything is quote-unquote vibrating.
Motion cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred. So basically what you're saying here is that if I ever stand still, I will never again be able to move because I need an external force to move me. Or a car will not move from a park location unless another car bumps into it. And because you say that motion cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred, does that mean that that car will continue to move irrespective of fuel, resistance, or wear and tear? Let me give you a lesson here. The brain sends electrical energy impulses via the nervous system, including the spinal cord and nerves, to the muscles. The muscles then contract to create movement. Your muscles work in conjunction with tendons and joints, which help your muscles move your skeletal bones to accomplish movement. No external force here, just simple science.
That is moving, which brings us to rule 3, hopefully. Yes, I got it right.
I'm glad that you at least know that 3 comes after 2. Good for you.
Motion, well, there's only 3. I didn't write 4 yet. There goes. I was baptized, it's gone. So motion can only be transferred through physical contact, right? So again, now if you're going to say that something moved, you must transfer the motion through physical contact to move it.
Finally, his last law. At this point my face is hurting from all the face palms I've already done. Motion can only be transferred through physical contact. I refer back to my previous point. If I stand still, will I then never again be able to move because I need an external force to move me? Or if a car is in a parked position, will it stay there unless another car bumps into it? Now, I have previously said in my other videos that I am neither a physicist, scientist, teacher, mathematician, nor an astronaut, and I've never claimed to be one, nor will I ever claim to be one. but I need to ask you to please explain this.
But what about a magnet? I don't care. These are the rules.
So wait, you don't care about magnets, even though what you just saw demonstrates that your previous law is completely null and void.
Right? I'm writing rules, and that all I'm doing is looking at the world and saying the world works on these rules, and these are the rules that I see the world working on.
The world works on these rules. If you are a flapping unicorn from the far, far away world of La La Land and your IQ level is below the negative margin, then yes.
Right? You can't move something unless you're physically touching it. Why isn't it moving? Why doesn't that so once I make contact, because it's the contact which will transfer the information, okay? So how is something going to know, or how does this move? What program is running that what tells this to move and how much if there isn't contact to transfer the information? Okay, so without physical contact, you can't transfer any information. You can't get that motion to transfer. Okay, so motion is based on everything, and so that's all I got so far. Let me know what you think, and of course people are going to blah blah blah, but show me I'm wrong.
You made a point that we should show you that you are wrong. Okay, go to school. If you enjoy watching these videos as much as I enjoy making them, then please consider clicking on those like and subscribe buttons. Also, please click on the notification bell icon so that you can be notified when new videos are released. Now, I may be plagiarizing here, but I want to explain what kind of a person this RightThe Hand is. And to do that, I need to quote another YouTuber called FTFE, or Fight the Flat Earth. Guys, go check out his channel. He is awesome. His link is in the description below. Also, I hope he forgives me for using the quotes, but here goes. In my opinion, RightThe Hand can be equated to a dim-witted, mentally and morally deficient window licker whose knowledge is on par with that of a Cornish pasty pie, and who probably has as many brain cells as a regular bowel movement. Normally with my other videos regarding certifiable whack jobs, I rate them using the Crackpot Quotient. RightThe Hand is no different. So here goes. Using the above formula, we can give RightThe Hand the idiotic giggle factor value of a whopping 10, a facepalm strength rating also of a massive 10, a word salad usage, I'll give him a 9 on this one, he deserves it, a regurgitation value from what he's heard previously, yep, a 9 as well, a level of disbelief about what he has actually just put on YouTube, also a solid 9. An egocentricity value, this guy scores high, he gets a 10. A rage factor value, also another one, full on 9. An understanding scale, this guy gets an absolutely dismal 1. And a fact checking value, a big round 0. Working out his Crackpot Quotient index, he scores way high up there with a 228.